Before installing your new Burg Wachter smart lock, you will need to remove the escutcheon on the inside of your door. Installing your new SecuEntry Active Smart Lock is simple, with 3 different installation options to suit your door and your needs. The first method of installation is through fixing the smart lock directly to the cylinder with the supplied grub screw. For the purpose of this video, we've removed the Euro cylinder from the door. However, when installing at home, please leave it in place. Begin by locating the hole at the top of the backplate. Then, place the backplate over the cylinder. Next, take the supplied Allen key and use it to tighten the grub screw through the hole at the top of the backplate. Your backplate will now be secure. If this is the fixing method you are using, please skip ahead to 1 minute 53 seconds in this video. The next installation method is the quickest and simplest option. Your smart lock comes with a strong adhesive sticker that can be stuck to the back of the lock and then stuck to the door. If this is the fixing method you are using, please skip ahead to 1 minute 53 seconds in this video. The final method is the bolt-through fixings method. Place the backplate over the cylinder and insert the screws into the holes on either side. Tighten them until the backplate is secure. You may need to hold the front escutcheon in place while doing this. Once the screws are tight, place the key in the keyhole. Before attaching the lock to the backplate, ensure the back of the lock is aligned in a straight cross-like position, rather than angled like an X. Attach the lock by inserting the top first, then clicking the bottom into place. To secure the lock in place, use the included Torx screwdriver to tighten the small screw into the bottom hole of the backplate. For the purpose of this video, we've removed the lock from the door, but you should keep it installed during this step. Your lock is now installed and ready to set up on the app. If you have the optional keypad, it can be installed by placing the adhesive pads on the back and then sticking it down in your desired location.